Hello, so in this video I will explain basic navigations inside FormIt application. So navigation menu is located on the right side and we can start from the top. So first one is perspective view, next one is 2-point perspective view, and the third one is orthographic view. I recommend to use orthographic view when you want to see object projection to the to-do plane. So you can select the plane here. So if you want to see view from the top, you can see nice 2D view from the front, from the side. And like you see, I am scrolling the mouse wheel and it zooms in, zoom out. And if I change the settings, you can see different options. If I click the right mouse button, you can see I can rotate around my objects. If I click this one, 3D view, so it goes to home position and shows 3D view. This fly through mode lets you go into game mode and you can just fly around your 3D project. So it depends on the browser. On some browsers it works nice and on some it is not working. Like I mentioned, orbit, right mouse drag. If you want to swivel, you should click Ctrl and right mouse drag. So Ctrl, right mouse drag, and I can look around. If you want to pan, you just click the middle mouse and you can pan the view. If you want to zoom, you can click the zoom or you can just scroll in, scroll down. If you want to see all objects, you can click zoom or double tap Z letter. And if you want to zoom to specific object, you select object, you click this one and program zooms to the object. So these are basic navigation in FormIt application. Thank you.